Hey there everyone. Today, let's dive into some jaw-dropping news from Zimbabwe that's making waves around the globe. So, what's the buzz? Well, it all starts with President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who has recently been caught in a whirlwind of corruption allegations. But that's not all. His close associate, Mudha Ncube, is also in the hot seat, and it's leaving everyone stunned. First up, let's talk about President Mnangagwa. Accusations against him are piling up like never before. The U.S. Department of the Treasury has slapped sanctions on him for corruption and human rights abuses. Imagine that. He's been linked to gold and diamond smuggling, accepting bribes, and violently suppressing his political opponents. And if that's not enough, his wife, Auxilia, is also alleged to be complicit in his shady activities. Now, you'd think that would be enough drama for one day, right? But wait, there's more. Mixed messages have emerged from the United States regarding these sanctions. While they're cracking down on Zimbabwean leaders, Zimbabwe's finance minister, Mudha Ncube, is out there telling investors that Zimbabwe is open for business. It's like a plot twist in a political thriller, isn't it? Amidst all this chaos, one name stands out: Mudha Ncube. This guy has been seen in the Midlands province, specifically in Gokwe, bribing remote citizens to push for Mnangagwa's term extension. Yep, you heard that right. He's actively working to secure Mnangagwa's political future by any means necessary. But here's where it gets even more shocking. Mnangagwa's own son, Collins Mnangagwa, is also in the spotlight. He's been implicated in controversial gold mining operations in Shirogwe. The company he's involved with, Chengxi Mining, has been accused of environmental damage, labor rights violations, and gold smuggling. It's a mess, to say the least. The secrecy surrounding Chengxi Mining's ownership, with undisclosed Chinese investors, only adds to the intrigue. Despite producing substantial quantities of gold, there are suspicions of underreporting to the Fidelity Gold Refinery, Zimbabwe's central gold trading and refining center. And let's not forget the environmental impact. The mine's operations have caused significant land degradation, painting a stark contrast to the environmentally responsible practices of the nearby Unki mine. So, what does all this mean for Zimbabwe? It raises serious concerns about corruption, lack of accountability, and the future of the country's political landscape. With high-level complicity seeming to be the norm, it's a situation that demands attention and action. That's all for now, folks. If you found this shocking, stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding drama. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop. Until next time, take care.